To obtain a coupon code on Flipkart, start by visiting the official offer page, which features current deals and discounts across various categories. Additionally, explore third-party websites that specialize in compiling the latest coupon codes and promotional offers for Flipkart. It's also worth checking if your bank or digital wallet has any ongoing promotions with Flipkart, as they often collaborate to provide extra discounts or cashback. Consider becoming a Flipkart Plus member to access exclusive deals, early sales, and free delivery options. Keep an eye out for major sales events, like the Big Billion Days, which offer substantial discounts across multiple categories. Furthermore, some deals are exclusively available through the Flipkart mobile app, so downloading it can provide access to app-only discounts and early sales previews. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings and find the best coupon codes for Flipkart.